Ideal and all the students. Welcome to History Online session for 7th standard. Today topic Bahmani Kingdom. Foundations and consolidations of the Bahmani Kingdom. Alauddin Khazan, also known as Khazan Gangu, seized Daulabad and declared himself Sultan under the title of Bahman Shah 1347. The title of Bahman Shah in 1347. In 2 years, Alauddin Khazan Bahman Shah shifted his capital to Gulbarga. Gulbarga, Gulbarga. His successor of found it difficult to organize a stable kingdom even around Gulbarga. So, the capital was again shifted to Bidar in 1429. Bidar, B-I-D-A-R, Bidar. There were 18 monarchs of the Bahmani kingdom. How many monarchs? 18 monarchs of the Bahmani kingdom. Second heading, Alauddin Khazan Bahman Shah, year 1347 to 1358. He divided the kingdom into 4 territorial divisions called Tarafs, T-A-R-A-F, Tarafs. A governor was appointed for each province. An army was solely responsible for its administration and for the collect of the revenue. The system worked well under a powerful king, but its changes became apparent during the reign of weaker ruler. Right? Muhammad Shah first succeeded Bahman Shah. His attack on Warangal in 1363 earned a large property and wealth, including fortress of Golconda and his treasured Turkish throne. The Turkish throne is a very famous and precious throne, right? See the picture. Turkish. Turkish is the semi-precious stone, sky blue in color. Turkish throne is one of the bejeweled royal seats of Persian kings described Firdausi Shah Nama, right? See the precious stone. Muhammad Shah first laid a solid foundations for the kingdom. His system of government continued even after the Bahmani kingdom. This integrated into 5 sultans. Okay. He built 2 mosques at Gulbarga. Gulbarga, G-U-L-B-A-R-G-A, Gulbarga. One of them, the greatest mosque, completed in 1367, measures 216 by 16 feet and has roofed courtyard. Arabs, Turks and notably Persians began to immigrate to Deccan. Arabs, Turks and notably Persians began to immigrate to the Deccan, had a strong influence on the development of Muslim culture during subsequent generations. Had a strong influence on the development of Muslim culture during subsequent generations. Okay, see the Golconda Fort. The Golconda Fort is located about 11 kilometers from Hyderabad on a hill of 120 meters height. Okay. Mujahid, the son of Muhammad Shah, ascended the throne. However, on his return to Gulbarga from expeditions against Vijayanagar, he was assassinated under the neighbor of conspirator. Daud, the uncle of Muhammad, was enthroned in 1378 as Muhammad II. Muhammad II's reign was peaceful and the Sultan spent much of his time building his court as a center of culture and learning. His reign was peaceful and the Sultan spent much of the time building his court. Right? 8 ministers of the Bahmani kingdom. First one, Wagilus Sultana, who was the immediate subordinate authority of the sovereign. Second one, Beswa, who was associated with the lieutenant of the kingdom. Third was Rikal, who supervised the work of these other ministers. Fourth one, Amirji Jumla, ministers of finance. Okay. Fourth one, Nazir, assistant minister for finance. Sixth one, Wazir Ashraf, ministers for foreign affairs. Kotwal, the chief police and the city magistrate in the capital. Eighth one, Sadhji Jahan, or chief justice and minister of religious affairs and endowments. Okay. Muhammad Gawan. A Persian by birth, Muhammad Gawan was well versed in Islamic theory, Persian and mathematics, also a poet and prose writer. Alauddin Hasan Bahman, greatly impressed by his wisdom and military genius, pictured as he served the prime minister under Muhammad III. Okay. He used Persian chemist to teach the Bahmani army about the preparation and the use of gunpowder. See the pictures. He used a Persian chemist to teach the Bahmani army about preparation and the use of gunpowder. Okay. In his against the Vijayanagar kings in Belgaum, he used gunpowder. Gawan became a victim of this dazzles for power. The Deccan nobles grow jealous of his success and consider him as an obstacle to their rise. Okay. He also placed some districts in the provinces directly under the central administration. Gawan showed to culture and the military powers of the governor by allowing them to occupy only one fort in their territory. The Sultan kept of the forts under his direct control, the royal offices, right? The Sultan kept other forts under the district control. Muhammad Gawan is a great person. The administration reforms introduced by Gawan improved the efficiency of the government, but curtailed the power of the provincial chiefs who were mostly Deccanese. Existing rivalry among nobles such as Deccan and his predecessors further intensified and conflicts broke out. Gawan conspiracy against the Sultan was not happy with the Gawan's dominance order and his execution. Okay. Best and wise person, the Muhammad Gawan. Decline of Bahmani kingdom. After Sultan Muhammad III death, Muhammad Sihabuddin Muhammad reigned as the Sultan until his death in 1518. Four of his successors on the throne were kings only in name. Sultanate gradually broke up into 5 independent Deccan. That kingdoms are Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Bear and Golconda. 5 kingdoms, Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar and Golconda. Right? Bidar, B-I-D-A, Bidar. Right? Architecture. Contributions of Bahmani Sultan's architecture. The contributions of Bahmani kings to architecture are evident in Gulbarga. Archaeological excavations done in the site of the kingdom has helped unearth the place. Okay, palaces, halls of public audience, ambassadors' residences, arts, domes, walls, and citadels. These find illustrative of their architectural illustrative skill. Okay, these find all illustrative of their architecture skill. See, education. Next topic, educations of Bahmani kingdom. Right. The founder of the Bahmani kingdom, Alauddin Hasan Shah, was educated in Multan at the initiative of Jabar Khan, general of Alauddin Khalji. Right. Later, his success founded schools Gulbarga, Pita, Daulabad, and Kandahar. Okay. Muhammad Gawani, world famous madrasa in Pita, with a large library containing a collection of 3,000 manuscripts and illustrative of the importance given to scholarship and education by Gawan. Recap this lesson. The foundations of the Vijayanagar kingdom by two brothers Harihara and Bukka, and its consolidations by their successors, notably Devaraya II, are described. Krishna Devaraya. The most illustrious ruler Krishna Devaraya career and achievements are highlighted. Vijayanagara system of governance and economic are explored. Most illustrious ruler the Krishna Devaraya. Contributions of Vijayanagar to literature, art and architecture are also dealt with. Establishment of Bahmani kingdom by Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah and its consolidations by his able successor of Muhammad I are detailed. Bahmani king's contributions to architecture and education are also examined. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you once again. We will meet next session.